Another tasty recipe coming up. Sausage and bean casserole. So we'll slice an onion up just into thin strips. Then we want a couple of peppers. So I'm using 2 red and 1 green. And I'll just chop these peppers into smaller strips. Now we'll cook those sausages. So we'll get these in a pan with a couple of tablespoons of oil and we'll cook them slow. You don't need to completely cook them as well if you're putting them in a slow cooker, because they're going to cook completely in there. So we'll just keep giving these a turn until we've got a nice browning all round. Now while they're cooking, we'll drop in those peppers and those onions. To that I'm going to add some quartered cherry tomatoes. That's going to add a bit of sweetness to it. Now I'm going to add some larger tomatoes that we've blended. And then we've got a tin of black beans and a tin of mixed beans. And they've been rinsed. So let's get that all mixed in. Now we've got 2 chicken stock cubes in 200 millilitres of water. Get that in. That's a bit more flavour. Then we'll add a couple of tablespoons of tomato puree. About a teaspoon of garlic granules. And then 2 teaspoons of paprika. We'll add a bit of salt to that. And some black pepper. And that's your sausage and bean casserole all done. And it's also a make ahead meal if that's what you wanted to do, and just leave it in your slow cooker until you're ready to eat. And if you want to see what other recipes we come up with over the next few days, please just hit that subscribe button, press that notifications bell, and we'll see you there. Thanks for watching. You all take care.